Welcome, friends! Your favorite degenerates, Krista and Jason, are at it again! Let's celebrate the day!
So we were supposed to do parasailing today, but obviously there's the tropical storm off of the coast. It's not close to here, it's just sucking moisture, and I think we're getting a few bands here and there. But so we decided to go into town to the glass blowing factory, which we will hopefully get done. Transportation's a bit of an issue because there's like a river running through the driveway. So we're waiting on taxis. It's a very busy taxi day too, since everyone has canceled plans. No one's just hanging around the pool. Everybody's, I think, heading for town. We'll get there. It's still a good day. The worst day in Cabo is better than the best day at work. In the van, and you can see the river.
Glass blowing factory.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's a lot, huh?
How do you get out of here?
Well, we finally made it to the glass factory. It's called the glass factory?
It's the glass factory. This is a glass blowing factory. The people that have been blowing the glass here have been doing it for years. Only place in Cabo San Lucas this is done, and it's incredible.
Go check it out.
You say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here before. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Saying words seem easy. I know you can't talk to me, but I hope you realize you're playing with fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I guess you stopped to care. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. You like a different game. It's like I'm playing and you don't care. Starting new on my own. 'Cause I don't need you. I'm only like a different game. 'Cause I got played, but you're so bad. Starting new on my own. Someone just take me away. Ooh, hey. Playing with the fire. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Playing with the fire.
This is incredibly cool. Oh my goodness.
That's pretty cool to watch in person.
Yeah,
I didn't think I'd be all that impressed, but you know, I'm a fire guy, so I sort of like what's going on there, and that's quite artistic.
most of the glass they're using is actually recycled glass. So it's all the alcohol bottles, and they've got tons of them.
endless supply. Storm or hurricane Kevin is not making anybody else any happier today. All the extra work that has to be done today to clean up the mess. And if you'd like to remember your time in Mexico from your visit to the glass factory, knowing that you visited during the coronavirus, are you in luck? They have a coronavirus. There's a bunch of cute shit here, but I don't know about you. I wouldn't have a freaking coronavirus in my house. It's not a time in my life that I really want to remember having the going through the pandemic right now. So, how about you? Would you have a coronavirus in your life?
No.
No. Okay. It's unanimous. It's not going home with us. Glass blowing. What'd you think?
I wish I had more money because that was amazing. I could sit there for hours and just watch him make things.
Yeah. We were binge watching glass blowing guy.
Yeah, and it was no charge. So I mean, it was just it was magical to see him create these things
from trash.
Yeah, and totally worth it. So if you need something to do,
cool thing to do in Cabo, glass
yes,
blowing.
Exactly.
Celebrate the day.
Celebrate the day.
Thanks for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.